Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby. So in this video, as you can see, my boyfriend is helping me with my hair. Guys, if any of you are watching and you are a stay-at-home mom like myself, then you definitely know that it can get hard sometimes and you're not up to doing any extra activities. Plus, this day I was too tired to do my hair and I wanted to try something different. So as you can see, my boyfriend is here to help on his off day, luckily. And we're attempting to do the braid out perm rod set on my hair for the first time, guys. I never tried it before and I wanted to try something different, like I said. So if you please continue watching to see the final results. Now that my hair is in section, guys, we are about to get started. But before we do, I do want to mention that this is not a tutorial. Like I said, this is my first time trying this style on my hair. And I just wanted to see what the hype was about with this style and show you guys how my hair came out and what products that I use. But if you can, please leave me a comment below letting me know what products that you use and how your hair came out after you did this style.
Two hours later.
Guys, as you can see, he is still on this one braid and he is really struggling, but I would definitely give him some type of credit for helping me. So to point out to you guys, and I know you might have seen this as well, but on one side of my hair, he is doing these big old braids, and on my side, as you can see, I'm doing smaller braids. So I really can't wait to see how my hair is gonna turn out. Like, oh my god. So guys, it is the next morning, and as you can see, I am taking down my hair, and I'm starting to see that my hair did not come out as expected. It's a little disappointing, but I'm just gonna finish taking out everything to see how it came out. Guys, this is the results of my hair. It looks a mess. Like, literally, it looks a mess. I mean, I'll give him E for effort for helping me, but I'm definitely not about to walk out the house like this. Like, I will attempt to comb it out a little, and eventually I will put it in a bun, but no way I'm going out the house like this. Luckily, wash day is in 2 days, and that's what I'm gonna do because I'm definitely not walking out the house like this. So this is what hairstyle I did come up with after seeing how freaking bad my hair did come out. The tragedy. But if you do like this style, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll actually give you a real tutorial on how I did this style. Thank you for watching.